It's all going on. We've got our stunt gear on the tail end. Look at this, guys. Look at the bloody hail on the ground. Woo! Our bikes are destroyed. Our bikes aren't destroyed, mate. They're plastic. We're bloody destroyed. That's what we got to do. Stopped raining, thank goodness. Why is it whenever you want to do anything, the only day that you get to do it, it rains? Maybe you can answer that question out there right now. What do you reckon, Noah? I don't know. Noah doesn't know. Alright guys, if you've never done a farmer's wave, this is what you got to do. You got to take your index finger, you got to go up really slow, see if you get one back. Oh, that's a fail. We didn't get one back in that case, so he's not a true farmer. Right, we're going to try the next one. Here we go. Farmer's wave. Yes, we got one. That's one apiece. This is a game that me and the kids play, guys, when we're driving down the farm here. We like to do the farmer's wave real slow. Let's see how many people we can get to do it back. Small things amuse us. Oh, and another thing too, when they run out of chocolate milkshakes in at McDonald's, these iced chocolate frappe things, they're not real good Maccas. I think you just give me some watered down bloody milk in this one. This one's crap. Also guys, McChickens. I didn't know McChickens, even though they take your money for them, they don't make them till 10:30 in the morning, so we weren't able to get a McChicken. And we only stayed in line for like 13 minutes and held the whole of Macca's up for that to tell us that. So great start on the way here this morning, guys. But the rain looks like it's cleared, the sun's out, Noah's excited. We're gonna get on these bikes and see if we can herd up some cows. Alright guys, so we're back down the farm again today, and the reason why we are is because we did a poll. We did a poll on our community tab, and you guys voted that you would like to see more general day-to-day videos. So that's what we're doing for you today. We're down, my son's just finished his exams. He needs a bit of time to relax and de-stress. So we've loaded up a couple of the bikes. We thought we're gonna go and check on all the cows, see what's happened. Looks like we've had a bit of rain down the farm, all the dams are full. Everything's looking good, but we have to check the fences because whenever we have that much rain, we seem to lose all our floodgates and give us more work to do in fixing them. So we'll go for a ride and we'll see what the day brings. So Noah, are you looking forward to your ride today?
Yeah, it should be good.
Should be good?
Yeah.
You're going to show your old man how much of a better rider you are?
Yeah, it's really past you.
Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. I'm here for safety. I'm here for safety. The older you get, the smarter you get. There's no point getting old if you don't get smarter. So I'll be taking it easy, and I'll just be letting the younger generation have some fun.
So here, guys, we've got Dad. It's fully dressed up. Made sure I bought him this bike.
That's it. I never picked this safety gear either, guys, but I do recommend wearing it. It's a lot. Actually, I didn't pick anything here. I got a young bloke to pick it for me. Make it easier. Mine's a nice quiet bike. I like to be very reserved when I go riding. I don't like to draw attention to myself basically. So hopefully.
And he wonders where I get it from. Alright, so we went out the back. We went for a ride. It was wet, it started to rain, and then it hailed. So we made our way back, and safety Sam over here hit the ground.
There was no incident. There was no incident. The problem was I'm dressed up in all this stunt gear and I wasn't able to shimmy when I should have shaked, and at the end of the day I went for a little slide. Just a little slide. I think I might have a bruised knee a little bit later on, but that's okay. That's okay. Sorry we didn't film it. I didn't trust myself riding with the GoPro, and rightly so, rightly so. But there's no damage to the bike, which is the main thing, so it's not an expensive one. Just hurt my pride a little bit, but I just, exactly what I said, guys, make sure you wear your stunt gear whenever you go out for a ride. Keep your helmet on so that you don't hurt yourself. All right. Oh, might be worth putting the bikes on.
Yeah. Bikes are gonna get destroyed.
They won't get destroyed. They won't even worry.
Oh my god, it's hailing.
It's all going on. We've got our stunt gear on the tail end. Look at this, guys. Look at the bloody hail on the ground.
Our bikes are destroyed.
Our bikes aren't destroyed, mate. They're plastic. We're bloody destroyed. That's what we got to do. We've got to sit in here.
Wait, my stand's out there.
Grab your stand, son. Get out there, mate. This is exciting. Oh, shit. This isn't very good at all. All right. Well, we just got the bikes loaded. Bloody hail. Can't believe that, Noah.
Yeah.
Absolutely hailing. It's just stopped for a second, but I think we're about to get hit with the second wave. I've still got my riding boots on. I can't drive in this, but I've got to get across the river down the bottom here, just in case it gets we get a flash flood, because it was raining pretty hard out the back, and then as we came in it was following us. We've had a few rides, we had a few things planned for you guys today. We were going to do fire and like cook over an open fire. Bloody wind, 100 kilometers an hour plus wind. It felt like it wasn't, it was only probably 50, but too windy to light a fire, too wet to do anything else. I want to get the drone up, give you a bit of a look outside, but hopefully you enjoy this little video. And thanks to everyone, really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. We love showing a little piece of our life every now and again whenever we get time, and we love the fact that you watch it, don't we, Noah?
Yes.
That's it. So let's give a thumbs up for Noah, hey guys. Last video got like 22 thumbs down. Maybe we can get 22 thumbs up. That'd be awesome. All right guys, we'll see you on the next one, and thanks again.